Hi there, welcome back one more time to the tax number 4, and here is step number 1 when you are going to review the model 5 and 6. This one is finding in the ebook, and you are gonna practice a little bit the present perfect, the participle listening, and so on. You should know this part of the B1 level, the correct management from these tenses in English. Importante el manejo de esos tiempos, sobre todo perfectos, y la identificación de los verbos regulares y irregulares para este nivel B1 que ya estamos por terminar. La segunda step, el segundo paso, es check the question and select five to answer and giving a long answer. You will have a number of questions en la guía de actividades van a encontrar más de 10, 15 preguntas, seleccionen 5 de ellas, da respuestas cortas, no de respuestas cortas. Por ejemplo, una de esas respuestas es: Did you spend much money on your last trip? Did you spend a lot of money on your last trip? No vayan a decir yes I did or no I didn't. If somebody asks me, did you spend much money on your last trip? I can say, well, I spent at least 20,000 euros or dollars because I went to Europe. I spent almost a month, 45 days to be exactly 45 days traveling around Europe, and it was an amazing, extraordinary experience for myself. Esta es la respuesta que se debe dar, no decir yes I did or no I do, or yes I have or I haven't. ¿De acuerdo? En el paso number 3, we are going to talk about experience. The experience that you are going to find with the previously. Step number 2, where you are going to have a schedule with your professor. Vamos a agendar una serie de encuentros para escucharlos a cada uno de ustedes y ver qué tan bien estamos en la pronunciación. Esto es parte del score que vayamos a obtener en esta parte casi final del B1. And the number 4, we are going to talk about the fix at 6, the self-assessment locating the learning environment. Vamos a crear un screenshot y vamos a compartirlos en el foro para una retroalimentación que corresponda a dicha actividad. And finally, the document is going to put PDF uploaded in this in the evaluation environment. And please be on time. Don't spend until the last day for upload the activities. Este script short conversation está en la primera actividad, en la número 1, en el step number 1, es donde vamos a hablar sobre la experiencia de vivir en Canadá. Esto lo encontramos en estos ebooks que les he mencionado, que hemos manejado durante los últimos días, los últimos meses, y aquí se encuentra en el módulo 4, 5 and 6, que es el que vamos a trabajar during this tax number 4. Thank you so much for listening to me, and have a nice and amazing, wonderful and outstanding time. Bye bye and take care. Thank you so much.